up, y'all? We are here in Allen Wayne Park. Well, this is Allen Wayne too. But we end up finding the code, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looks like and everything. And before I start, I had to pause the game, so I had to get my controller right. All right, we all good. But anyways, we had got a shotgun now, and the way I found it, it was over there by the front counter, and I saw the code, so I ended up had to grab it anyway and fit, I guess, like what the code was. The numbers it's gonna get very confusing, so I tried every number in the books and everything. So I ended up figuring it out. So I had to cut some parts of it of the video to figure out what's the actual of the number and everything is. So yep. And now we are. I think we almost about to finish this part. So we are going to the path that where we found the pages from doing like Colton Lake over there. That big huge tree for the last I think 2 episodes. Maybe that's an episode before that. And we heading that way right about now. And this is where I found the code at, right up here in this front alley right over here. So yep, so it was right over here and then I grabbed it. So we about to head up there now to the place of the tree. So we ended up going to the reality of the case.
Like Nightingale. Watch yourself out there.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up. I'm still finding my way back.
You have the worst sense of direction.
Any city in America I can get through drunk and blindfolded. It's these damn trees.
Okay. I'm en route to Witch's Ladle. I need to perform a ritual to open the overlap. This case just keeps getting weirder. But it is exciting.
Alright, let's see if we can solve a case in this board right here. So we can hurry up and get this out of the way.
Found the heart in the fridge. Just like the page said I would. Sounds literary. But what does it mean?
Uh-oh, we got some enemies already. Let's go ahead and get him out of the way. You know what I say about this game is so different? Even though you keep shooting at them, like, they're, oh my god, damn, I got hit. Damn, I got hit. If you shoot them, like, they take so many bullets in this game, bro. And, just, like, look what I'm doing right now. Like, look at how many shots he's taking. And he's not even getting phased by it. As much as I keep shooting at him, and look how many times I shot him in the head. He just not getting down, though. That's crazy. Man. But yeah, man, that's wild, though, bro. Because there's plenty of times I try to shoot him in the head and shoot him in the body and everything. They still ain't won't get down. It takes them a while to take him a few shots to him and to kill him. So, that's kind of ugly, but that lets me know I need to upgrade my weapon, though.
The wave crashed on the far side of the mirror. I brought you the Heart Witch. Show me the terror.
Alright, let's go ahead inside. But yeah, but this should be the last part though for this part. But other than that though, we should, oh my god. Fam, these jump scares.
I think I'm in the
Fuck.
overlap. Are you still on your way? Casey! Casey, do you read me? Fuck. Okay, Saga. Going in solo. Logan? Mom, help! Logan! Where are you? What the fuck was that? Logan's back in Virginia. You're imagining things.
That's ugly as hell. Already she hearing things and she's imagining things that she's not supposed to hear. Man, I'm wondering it's gonna get worse though when we keep playing that saga and when she get to start hearing things and stuff.
What was that? Wait. Did I get turned around? No, this is right. This place is looping. Like a nightmare.
Okay. That's a page. Manuscript.
Need to find Nightingale.
The writer went into the lake, banished the dark presence. Taken still lurked in the woods. The dark place receded. The current pulled back those with darkness inside, into the lake. Nightingale was there, one of them. The dark presence, Jagger had taken him. The witch had stolen his heart. They sank beneath the waves. The dark place, wandering in the shadows, muttering to themselves. It's dark. I'm lost. Where am I? Who am I? I can't remember. It's cold. Premium cabins for rent in Bright Falls. Who said that? Can you hear me? I need help. Please. Stop this. What did I do? You must dig it out. Their shape shifted. Echoes of the writer's dreams. Fading in, fading out. The next story and the story after that. The writer was writing it.
He's here. Nightingale.
Trapped here. Who escaped? Danger.
Who is that? It's like they're coming in over a bad signal. Nightingale's badge.
Sent to find the light switch. Show me the clicker. Nightingale hunted sucker.
Ah, shit. There you go. And now let's go. Oh, shit. I was gonna say, oh, yeah, I remember now. Now let's get this son of a bitch so we can kill this man. You gotta get that big ass branch. Shit. Hey, he's pretty quick for a big guy. Kill that son of a bitch. Oh shit, I ran out of bullets. Go to your down slot. Alright, let's go ahead and pull out the shotgun. Shoot his big ass. Oh, so now he gone though. What the hell is that? Oh yeah, I need to run. That's like a tornado. I ain't fucking with that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, he almost grabbed me. Shoot his big ass. He a big ass nigga, man. Damn. Popping out trees and shit everywhere, man. I feel like I'm on the wrong way. I'm gonna probably have to go back and turn around. Big hell, man. Oh shit, get out the way. What? He hit me? How? Let's go ahead and hurry up and heal. Oh, we ain't grabbing that ammo. Damn it. Yeah, I probably had to keep using the shotgun for right now. Oh, you know what I just realized? I'm supposed to... Oh, man. Oh man, I ain't got no bullets. Oh shit, get off of me. This nigga big as hell. Fuck. Oh my god. Alright, good thing I found some bullets. Hurry up, man, hurry up. Fuck, he grabbed me again. Get your big ass off of me. Get off of me. Fucking run. Before this nigga hit you. Oh, fudge. You're not supposed to shine the light. Right, keep shooting at him. Keep shooting at him. Alright, keep on. Keep moving. Bob and weave. That's all you need to do. Bob and weave. Alright, move. Oh, damn. Wow. He got me. He got me.
Nightingale.
Yes, we finally did it.
Who are you?
What is this? Who are you?
Hear me.
I'm Saga Anderson, FBI. I can hear you.
Cauldron Lake.
Yes, I'm at Cauldron Lake. Where are you?
How to escape. In danger. The dark presence.
Danger. Thanks. Got it. Hey! Are you okay?
No! It's my fault! It got out with my face! Scratch!
Sir, calm down. I'm gonna need you to take a breath.
He's changed the story. The dark presence. We must stop it before...
Easy now. First things first. What's your name?
My name is Alan Wake. I'm a writer. I've been...
Wake? Where did you come from? You've been missing for 13 years.
13.
Alright, y'all. That is the end of the game. Make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe, and tell y'all guys notifications. Alright, peace.